everyone, Peckish Lulu here, and today I'm going to show you how to make a quick but authentic pork larb salad. I just love eating larb when I'm in Thailand, especially when it's made fresh by a street vendor, and now it's a side dish I have to order every time I eat at a Thai restaurant. Originating from Laos and extremely popular in Thailand, larb is essentially a minced meat salad flavoured with lime, fish sauce, chilli and fragrant herbs. So if you want to know how to whip up this tasty pork larb, then keep watching and let's get cooking. So our pork larb is all done and it's time to eat. I'm so excited, my mouth is watering. I'm gonna make myself a nice lettuce cup. Some cucumbers. Look at that. Even though larb is a pretty simple dish, it actually has really complex flavors when you think about it. There's the saltiness and umami from the fish sauce, sweetness from the sugar, sourness from the limes, and spiciness from the chilies. And of course, there's the fresh herbs and the nuttiness of the toasted rice that just beautifully balances everything out. I love it so much. I'm gonna finish this off. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope you enjoyed learning how to make this pork larb salad. You can also check out the full recipe on my blog peckishlulu.com, and you can follow me on Instagram and Facebook as well. If you enjoyed watching this, then make sure you subscribe to my channel for more exciting recipes like this. And if you have a go at making this, then make sure you tag me. I would love to check it out, and I can't wait to see you guys in my next video. Stay peckish!